everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. I wasn't planning on filming today, but I got my Ipsy bag. It feels kind of little. I did not order any add-ons this month, so I haven't looked to see what I was going to get. I didn't even pay attention to the shipping because it arrived. Wasn't even prepared for it. So open it up. Okay. It's a corduroy bag. It looks like Harry Potter colors. We've got Gryffindor and we've got Hufflepuff. I am a Hufflepuff. The bag's okay. It's okay. Let's see what I got in here. Okay. I'm just going to take everything out. I got a card. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Good vibes, September 2020. This month, radiate positivity. Okay. Oh, it tells me about the products in here. Okay, good. So let's go by the card. First, I have Benefits the Professional Hydrate Primer. I haven't tried the hydrating primer. Now all of these things are going to be going in my sample stash for my sample stash Mondays. So, and I needed makeup. It looks like I got all makeup. Well, it didn't look like it. I did get all makeup from what I see. So anyway, this primer, the full size sells for $32. Okay. Next, I got a blush. This is the blush. This is Deuce Freematic Blush Mono in Daydream. I'm going to open up the plastic off of it. It's a tiny, oh, that's a pretty color. That's a nice, let's see if I can hold that back. That's a nice neutral. That looks pretty. Let's see if I can put a little on. I'll put it on my finger. It's like it blends right in. There we go. All right, that's nice. And then I got a highlighter from Deuce. This is a highlighter mono in Glisten. Pull the plastic off of this one. There we go. Okay. Whoa, almost dropped it. There we go. Let me swatch it. Use a different finger. Oh, this is very pretty. It's, to me, it's a champagne-y gold shade. See, I can't even find that blush now. I don't know if you'll see that. It's right there. They're hard to see. They're very light, but I like it. I like it. So, okay, not bad, not bad. Next, I got another eye pencil. Pixie by Petra. I like their eye pencils. This hybrid liner gives you the best of both worlds. The intensity of liquid liner and the ease of pencil. Okay. For an easy smoky look, smudge it. Yeah, okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you the blush is $14 and the highlighter is $14 for the full size. Let me see if I can get the plastic off of this pencil. I'm going to do it later. I don't want to take the time. Ooh. What color is this? I can't read it because that's where the bronze something. It's pretty. Does it tell me on here? Bronze beam. Bronze beam. It's pretty. I am not going to put this in the samples. I'm just going to go ahead and put it with my other liners and just start using it because this is really a full size. Oh, I'll pull the plastic off later. Give me something to do. And then last, from Maelle, M-A-E-L-L-E Beauty, Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips in Berry. So this looks nice. Let me see. Let me see if I can get the plastic off of it. Much easier. This is what it looks like. It's a crayon. No smell. That's pretty. I'll wear it. There we go. So This sells for $9, the full-size version. The pencil sells for $12, and this is the full-size version. This is the full size. So that's as much as I paid for the bag. I paid $12. So it's like I got this pencil and then the little extra added goodies. So I got primer, blush, highlight, lips, and an eyeliner. This is much better than last month's. So we will go another month and we'll just keep going until I don't think they're worth it anymore. But okay, guys, thanks for watching me unbox this, and I'm going to add these things to our sample stash. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.